Samsung fans were hoping that the company would increase the battery capacity of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but multiple reports have suggested that it may not happen. New information has surfaced, which effectively confirms that the Galaxy S26 Ultra won't have a larger battery. Samsung will stick with the 5,000 mAh capacity next year as well. While there have been a few rumors hoping for at least a 10% increase in capacity from the S25 Ultra's 5,000 mAh to 5,500 mAh, other rumors shot down the idea, and they were apparently right. China's Quality Certification Center has issued a certification this week for the EBBS 948 ABI battery with a rated capacity of 4,855 mAh. This is exactly the same as the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It pours water over hopes that we may see a capacity bump for the 2026 flagship. There is still hope for one battery upgrade that doesn't have anything to do with the capacity. Reports suggest that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will support 65-watt fast charging, a notable improvement over the 45-watt fast charging speed that has been around since the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Samsung may be able to squeeze more endurance out of the 5,000 mAh battery on the Galaxy S26 Ultra due to its 2nm chipset and other optimizations. However, those who have been waiting for a move beyond this ceiling may have to wait for another year. Samsung is reportedly going to introduce a new OLED display technology for the Galaxy S26 Ultra next year, which relies on AI to help protect users' privacy. It will utilize the FlexMagic Pixel technology developed by Samsung Display. Local media reports from Korea highlight that Samsung Display's FlexMagic Pixel technology is entering full-scale mass production. This raises the possibility of it being used for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and potentially even for the 2026 foldable phones. This display technology uses AI to control individual OLED panels to adjust viewing angles. For example, if you open a bank app on your Galaxy S26 Ultra that contains sensitive information, the AI will adjust the pixels automatically to restrict viewing angles so that someone peering over your shoulder can't see that information. It's going to be a feature befitting the Galaxy S26 Ultra and would place the device squarely in its own league among next year's Android flagships, assuming what's claimed in this report actually ends up happening. Stay tuned to get the latest news and updates about the next Samsung phone, and don't forget to activate the bell. Otherwise, you may not receive notification when I upload.